Taking action is one of the secrets of success. Hey, welcome back. Jeff Heggie, Daily Success Strategies. Thanks for being with me today. Taking actions is one of the most powerful secrets of success. There's so many opportunities that people have that never come to fruition because they don't take action. Before we get into this, it's Monday. Thank you for being with me. Looking for another successful week. What is it that you have to accomplish by Friday so that on Friday we can look back and you're going to say, 1, it's been a successful week. 2, you're closer to your bigger goals. Now be accountable to these things. If you've got an accountability coach, partner, group, whatever, great. If not, leave me a comment. Come join one of our accountability groups, whatever it is, but be accountable to these things. Especially this time of the year, it's a best time of the year. We got Christmas a week away, but be accountable and do the things that can keep you productive throughout this week. All right, so let's talk about taking action. Gary Halbert says that motion beats meditation. What does that mean? Well, there's so many times that I've seen so many successful entrepreneurs that the only reason that they are successful is they saw an opportunity, they had an idea, and they took action. They took action before they were ready. They didn't analyze everything down to the minute detail before they even took any action. When I started my manufacturing company, I had a great banking job. It was an incredible job, loved it, loved the people I worked with, but I saw this opportunity. It wasn't in an industry that I knew, but I took action. I left the banking industry. I found someone that could teach me how to do it. And you know what? I wasn't ready. And even after I learned from them, there was a huge, steep learning curve. There are so many things that didn't go how we planned for them to go. But we took action and we were able to build something really cool. Now, a great story that I loved is one about Iacocca. And I don't know all the details of it, but I've heard it in a few different ways. And kind of talking about it, when he was the CEO of Chrysler, there was one time that he was going through some factories and one of the factory workers said to him, you know what, this specific model of car that we're building would be an incredible convertible. And a lot of CEOs at that time, if they thought, yeah, it might be, they could have created some studies, they could have put together different groups to look into it and started doing some research and all that. He said, get a blowtorch and cut the roof off of one of them and let me drive it around and see what kind of feedback I get. It ended up being the rebirth of the convertible for Chrysler. It ended up creating so much publicity around it, from the public, from the media, everything. And it brought in so much success and money from more than any idea that they had ever put together. So why did that happen? It's because a CEO who had a great idea brought to him took action on it. He acted on it. And you know what? When we think of these different situations, you can think of yourself. Everybody has ideas. Everybody has talents. Everybody has abilities. But few act on them. What are the things that you've thought about? What are the ideas that you've had? What are the talents that you've had that you've never acted on? What could you act on today that could make a difference in your employment, in your career path, in starting a business? There's so many different things that you could do right now that you don't have to wait. You've got to create the mentality of acting before you're ready. Dan Kennedy said, make no mistake about it. There is no wealth to be found in an idea. There is only wealth to be had from acting on an idea. So what is it that you have? What's the idea that you've been sitting on? It's time to take action. We're going into a new year. Why not start now? But if you sit there and think about it for another year, in a year from now, you're going to be in the same spot thinking, this is an incredible idea. Or maybe by then someone else has already acted on it. Take action today. Get the ball rolling. What can you do today to start moving it? All right. Thanks for being with me. Looking forward to a great week. It's going to be a great Christmas season. I'll be back tomorrow. Are you an entrepreneur? Are you one of the crazy ones, the ones that thinks different, that wants to take action on things because you know you can change the world? Do you want to become an optimal performing entrepreneur? an entrepreneur that is successful in their business, in their relationships, in their spirituality, in their personal development, in all areas. They're successful all the way around. If that is you, I want you to come and check out the Entrepreneur Coaching Group. That's what our focus is, to help people become optimal performing entrepreneurs. Now, the Entrepreneur Coaching Group is a membership site where we've got so many powerful tools to help you achieve your goals. Every month we've got new content, we've got new masterclasses, we've got new personal development training, we've got experts that are helping us all to achieve our biggest goals. And I want you to give it a try out for free. If you go to coachheggie.com/entrepreneur, you can check out the package I've put together that isn't just free access for a month of the Entrepreneur Coaching Group. I've put together some of my best resources, over $2,500 of resources that you're going to get for free just for checking it out. So go take a look at it, order my mindset journal, get $2,500 worth of free resources, and check out the Entrepreneur Coaching Group. I look forward to seeing you in there and helping you become an optimal performing entrepreneur. Og Mandino said that the difference between those who have failed and those who have succeeded lies in the difference of their habits. Good habits are the keys to success. Many of the habits that will bring you success in life are easy to do, but they're also easy not to do. I developed the Mindset Journal so that I could easily implement powerful success habits into my daily routine. The power of the Mindset Journal comes from knowing your top priorities and scheduling them into your day. The power of the reticular activating system and its relationship to your goals, your mindset questions, and your daily accountability. So if you want to implement some quick and effective success habits into your daily routine, go to jeffheggie.com/mindset journal and get yours today.